Well, so good afternoon, everyone. I hope everybody knows the answer of all the questions which we are going to present, because all the speakers and moderators and panelists have enlightened everybody. So these are very simple questions, and single answer question. There is no negative marking, and there are wonderful prizes. So, but we request that whosoever has won prize once, please give chance to others also. So means it's not that one person gets or only 2 or 3 person they get all the prizes. So please, so we start with the first question. So, which of the audience, this is for the audience, this round is for the audience. Which of the following estrogen formulation has the lowest risk of adverse effects on triglycerides? Please mark the word lowest risk of adverse effect on triglycerides. And your options, ये कुछ वो इसमें वो नहीं है क्या तुम्हारा remote तो ना इसके sorry so this answer is out, but anybody
next question
नहीं इसे दे दो मैडम, एक प्राइज आप दीजिए ना, whosoever is there, जो दो ना जाके you give the prize. अरे जी इनको ही दे दो जो सबसे आगे हैं. Yes, so the next question, madam पढ़िए.
Which is the primary mechanism by which raloxifene reduces the risk of breast cancer in postmenopausal women?
And your
Options are inhibition of estrogen synthesis, B. Antagonism of estrogen receptors in breast tissue, induction of apoptosis in breast cancer cells, and inhibition of aromatase activity. वो मैडम वो वाली मैडम ने सबसे पहले बताया.
हाँ, जिसने सबसे पहले बोला. So please give those who have won the prize, please give a chance to others also. So we can clap for the those who have answered well. And the third is, which of the following combinations, mind you, combinations is available as a tissue selective estrogen complex, TSEC. So your options are here. Please don't answer in chorus. Please don't answer in chorus. B. So give to anybody, Madam blue suit. Okay. Now the next question.
What is the preferred initial treatment for overactive bladder in postmenopausal women with genitourinary syndrome of menopause? Answers are vaginal estrogen. It's so difficult.
So everybody has become so knowledgeable, my God.
Has to stand up and speak out.
Huh?
So, कैसे?
हाँ, तो
Raising hands is not allowed. One has to stand and speak up.
तो वो सारे, if they stand and speak, then it will be a problem. So what is the most significant benefit of transdermal estrogen therapy compared to oral estrogens in postmenopausal women? सुबह से इतना पढ़ा दिया है सबने. So
सबसे पहले उठाया हाथ.
हाँ, so ये जो अभी खड़े, बस जिनको मिल गया उनको प्लीज आप ना दें दोबारा. Okay. Thank you. So the next question.
Which of the following is preferred treatment for vasomotor symptoms in a woman with premature ovarian insufficiency?
Last. Anjali, last
में.
Black suit.
Please get.
Easy बनाए.
अब हो गए.
अब सबने इतना, the speakers were so good that all these questions are they are seemingly easy. Basically, if somebody who doesn't know anything about, then these questions are tough. But our speakers and the Madam Meeta is there, then what do we say? नहीं हाँ madam, pre-test and post-test we should have done, no? So which of the following is a cardiovascular contraindication for menopausal hormone therapy? So this is your options. Okay. Thank you.
Estrogen administration in menopausal women increases the
With a twist.
gonadotropin secretion, LDL cholesterol, bone mass or muscle mass.
खड़े होके बोले जिसको नहीं मिला है खड़े होके. You got the.
पहले जिसको नहीं मिला है वो
पहले जिसको नहीं मिला है अंजलि.
इनको देता हूँ.
जिसको नहीं मिला है उनको देंगे. A 45 years old female who had total abdominal hysterectomy with bilateral salpingo-oophorectomy for endometriosis. Now she attends the clinic after 1 year and she is having vasomotor symptoms. What is the best management option? मैडम
आप क्या
अब मैडम आपको देने में वी आर ऑनर्ड टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट प्राइजेस.
Which of the estrogen receptor is predominantly involved in bone protective effects of estrogen therapy?
This is a twist.
ER
Who said ER alpha? Oh, madam, yes. Okay, that's great. What is the most appropriate management of vaginal atrophy in a post-menopausal woman with a history of breast cancer? So your options are history of breast cancer. See, who said C? तो आप हाँ वहाँ पीछे. So because you can give vaginal estrogen but only after consulting the oncologist. That was the catch. So so many of the audience is so much well versed now with the MHT thanks to all our faculty members and speakers.
Which of the following best explains the increased cardiovascular risk in postmenopausal women? The answers are either decreased HDL, increased LDL, decreased estrogen mediated.
Now whom to give? आप देखो जिनको नहीं मिला. Okay. Now हाँ उस तरफ भी जाएंगे अंजलि आप है ना. So next question. In this setting of premature ovarian insufficiency, which of the following is true regarding hormone replacement therapy? Nobody? See, आपको मिला क्या पहले? नहीं चलिए मैडम.
What is the primary reason why systemic hormone therapy is contraindicated in a woman with a history of breast cancer?
बी वहाँ उस तरफ वो किसी को भी हाँ. Okay. In a post-menopausal woman on estrogen only, estrogen only, the risk of which of the following cancers is significantly reduced? So mind you, it is reduced. My God, such learned audience. Please, आप दीजिए उधर जहाँ जिनको नहीं मिला है. मैडम पिंक साड़ी. Madam.
What is the most effective treatment for vasomotor symptoms in postmenopausal women?
चलो जिसको नहीं मिला वहाँ एंड में रेड साड़ी एंड में रेड साड़ी इन द एंड. Okay. Which of the following is the most common reason for initiating hormone therapy in menopausal women? Again, this is so. आपको जिसको देना है आप दे दो, जिसको नहीं मिला पीछे. Okay, now. Miss Verma, Mrs. Verma, she is a 50 years old woman. She is considering MHT. आपको पढ़ना है मैडम.
कोई बात नहीं. For menopausal symptoms, her mother had cancer breast at 60 years of age. Which of the following factors should be considered before deciding whether to initiate MHT for Miss Verma? अब इसको तो ब्लैक कुर्ते वाले थे.
Black. Okay. ये तो बहुत ही आसान है. Everybody knows that the timing hypothesis, everybody is well versed with timing hypothesis now related to MHT suggests that. फटाफट, early, fastest finger first. पीछे अंजलि. हाँ, उन जिनको नहीं मिला है.
जिनको नहीं मिला उनको दीजिए.
MHT is most beneficial when started early in menopause. So the next.
Which of the following statements about hormone therapy is true?
Anybody? See, Anjali.
C, green.
अंजलि कहाँ गई? ये वाह, वो मैं. अच्छा चलो जिसको दे. मैडम जब हमारा टाइम हो जाएगा तो बता दीजिएगा, हम वहीं पर रोक देंगे. MHT should be discontinued in all situations. This is with a twist. MHT should be discontinued in all situations except, and our seniors may guide us. These are the options. Migraine for the first time, blurring of vision, suggestive of vascular occlusion, jaundice, significant rise in the blood pressure, and elective surgery planned after 3 months. Yes, it is because क्यों है ये ऐसा क्यों? Can you reason out? Because it is 6 weeks. You have to stop it 6 weeks before, not 3 months before. So, thank you. मैडम को दीजिए वो जो मैडम खड़ी है ना. हाँ. Okay, मैडम.
MHT can be started in all of the following except
D. Anjali, have you some left?
खत्म तो नहीं हो गए, खत्म हो गए तो ही बता देना.
मैडम ये वाला स्किप कर देते हैं, ये सबको पता है. हाँ. MHT causes improvement of menopausal symptoms. Which of the following precaution needs to be taken while on MHT?
आपने ये सही करें.
She is on MHT. हाँ. A.
ठीक आपको दे दीजिए.
मैडम वो येलो सूट वाली. हाँ मैडम पढ़ो.
Which type of progesterone doesn't have reversal of beneficial effect of estrogen on cardiovascular system?
Doesn't have.
हाँ थोड़ा सा इसमें ट्विस्ट हो गया.
ट्विस्ट है थोड़ा सा. एक बार क्वेश्चन फिर से पढ़ेंगे.
Which type of progesterone doesn't have the reversal of beneficial effect of estrogen on cardiovascular system?
It is not countering the beneficial effects of estrogen. That is to say. C. आपको मिला पहले प्राइस. मैडम क्वेश्चन विथ ए ट्विस्ट. Anyways, so now तुम्हारे पास कितने बचे हैं? 2?
नहीं भी और भी है.
कितने हैं? 2 है. ओके मैडम पढ़ोगे.
Which of the following will cause least hepatic load?
तो उधर पीछे येलो. ओके 17 minutes. So this now we are having the last prize and the last question. Okay, so we have finished in 15 minutes instead of half an hour. So we must be applauded for that, huh? W. Yeah, of course, audience is so quick with their response. My God, मैडम आप लोगों ने इतना बढ़िया पढ़ा दिया सुबह से, हर किसी को सारे आंसर्स आते हैं अब. And really, what an attentive audience, I would say. No, very, very great. And they to the point, everybody is answering. So everybody they grabbed the basic message. WHI was halted prematurely due to all of the following reasons, except ये CIMP वाले सबको पता है. वो पीछे. Okay. So thank you very, very much. Thank you so very much. Thank you so very much.
Thank you so much.
Jai IMS Con.